Alright, if you're wondering how SEO agencies produce content 10x faster, they use our tool called Arvo, and what it does is has an AI SEO agent blog automation, and we have the campaign, we have the feed, so that we don't want our users to go and spend research time on other tools. Like, the research will be done here. If I need to show you, this will populate every single keyword along with the keyword difficulty. And then we have got the integrations. Click on integration, and here we have all these CMS integrations, and go to the campaign and click on new campaign. And each campaign you can run separately, and you can run every hour, produce an article. You can write every 6 hours article, every 12 hours, each day, every 2 days, every week, every month, and also number of articles per batch at the same time. So that's how our SEO agencies produce content 10x faster and improve the rankings.